collecting eggs that's dangerous.
How do you collect an egg?
An elf must run very quickly to the egg, pick it up, and run away with it as quick as they can.
What happens if they're not quick enough?
They get sat on.
Oh dear.
Now you see how important it is that the gate is locked at all times.
A chicken's escaped!
Catch that chicken!
Chicken's escaped!
Follow that chicken.
Where's Puppy? There's Juju.
Let's wind it up!
She's good at eating peas, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she eats lots of peas.
Somebody give me an egg!
Are you okay, Ray Ray? What's Wei Wei doing?
I told you not to let your chicken! That's not my chicken!
Wei Wei, where are your peas?
Nanny, can you speak chicken? Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh dear, Juju, what's happened?
Uh-oh.
What did it say?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Careful, Nanny Plum. That is a dangerous animal.
Don't be silly. It's just a chicken.
Did you hurt your finger, Juju? Oh dear.
Laid an egg.
Hooray!
Yes. A much better service than the
Duh.
elf truck.
What?
Nanny Plum, could you ask Mrs. Chicken to deliver an egg for breakfast tomorrow?
Certainly, Your Majesty.
I know. My,
Don't touch it. No touching. Okay, Ray Ray, bring me the remote. The black one. The black one. Ray Ray. What's important is that you get your show. Okay, you can have it. Show turned itself on. Is that Mummy?